Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Chevrolet Malibu LT. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired to a CVT transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, power sliding sunroof, lane keep assist, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with paneling coupled with storage on the bottom next to speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accent handle. You get these leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar here, super comfortable. Left side you'll have your lighting control, and left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, and lane keep assist, with the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the cluster control, you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info. Go across, you can access your vehicle gauges, and as well as your eco index here. So it's going to be push to start. Onto the infotainment, pretty straightforward. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, which regular AM/FM radio, as well as you can choose to sign up for OnStar services and navigation. Below you're going to have your dual zone climate controls with the auto stop above it. Below you're going to have two USB ports as well as a 12 volt with your park assist right next to it. And of course you got your center console storage. Passenger side, same finish but manually adjustable. Chrome across, speakers and vents up top. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power sliding sunroof. You're getting these blacked out 19-inch wheels on Continental Pro contact tires, the two-tone mirror caps, as well as keyless entry door handles, tinted rear glass in the back here, the black bow tie, as well as in the trunk space. You got lots of storage, wheel well storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, you get more paneling storage next to speakers, power window with chrome accent. At the back, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver side, with rear ventilation and a rear 12 volt DC port, cup holder and armrest right in the center, with a lamp up top and hooks on the side. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2020 Chevrolet Malibu LT. Equipped with the 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as leather heated seats, power sliding sunroof, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.